Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called Should I Remove a Wall to Create an Open Concept Kitchen? All right, folks, let's chat about the open concept kitchen, the holy grail of modern design, where the kitchen, dining, and living spaces come together in one great big harmonious gathering spot. But should you grab a sledgehammer and take down a wall? Grab your coffee because we're diving into the pros, cons, and the what ifs of this design dilemma. So, why are we enamored with open concepts? First, they make spaces feel larger and brighter, a gift from the real estate gods. Natural light flows freely, making your space dance with delight. It's like letting your rooms engage in an open and uninhibited dialogue, unburdened by barriers. There's also the social aspect. Imagine whipping up your famous casserole while chatting with family or friends lounging on the couch. It's like being the DJ and the life of the party all at once. Keeping an eye on the kids while they play? Total win. But let's spill the beans on the flip side, shall we? Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. By removing a wall, you might be tangling with the very muscle and bone of your house. Structural walls are like the backbone, and pulling one out can turn your kitchen into an impromptu guest starring role in a sitcom calamity episode. This is where you and your trusted contractor need a heart-to-heart. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Before any heroic demolition feats, get a professional assessment to check if that wall is load-bearing. If it is, fear not. You just need the right reinforcements, like a concealed beam or column, to laugh in the face of gravity, and consider the cost implications. Removing a wall might open your space, but it can also open your wallet. Factor in everything from rerouting electrical connections to matching the floor, ceiling, and wall finishes once the dust settles. Finally, don't forget about design trends. Open concept kitchens are still on vogue, but trends swing like a sunrise pendulum. Make sure your choice aligns with your personal taste and lifestyle, not just passing trends. At the end of the day, it's about creating a space that works best for you. Open concept or not, your kitchen should fit like grandma's best Sunday sweater. It has to feel just right. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.